Hey y'all, it's Crystal. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title and this look, I'll be showing you guys how I will turn my Upart wig into a headband wig. First things first, I am starting on co-wash hair. I'm going to diffuse my hair. Of course, I'm going to put a heat protectant and a frizz control. I'll be using edge control and got2b spray. I'll also have a headband and then of course a toothbrush or brush, whatever you need. Alright, so before I start doing anything, I'm going to start off by putting some heat protectant in my hair. I will be using my diffuser on the heat setting so that it can dry my hair faster. And then you guys can just stay tuned and enjoy the time lapse while you guys see me dry my hair. Alright y'all, so now that my hair is like 95% dry, I'm going to work on my real hair, my leave out. So this day it was raining, so I decided not to go through the frizz and humidity, so I'm just going to put a headband over it. I'm just going to take my toothbrush and I'm going to make it as flat as possible, and then I'm going to take a rubber band, of course dip it in oil, and then tie it behind my head. Alright y'all, so now that my hair is secure in the back, I'm going to make sure that some of my leave out is covering the wefts. Just in case if the headband suds back, I'm going to work on my edges. I'm going to use the Shea's Balm, and then I'm going to use the got2b gel. And of course, I'm going to use the toothbrush to brush it all in. And then you guys will see me put the headband on my head. Okay, so now that my hair is laid, I'm going in with my headband. You can get this headband from Amazon. You can get this headband from your beauty supply store. I'm just going to make a simple knot on the back to make sure that it is laying and my edges are tucked in. You guys see me going in with some bobby pins, just pinning it in place. And then for the actual hair, I'm just going in with some oil and mousse, and that is it. Alright, so that is it. Please like, comment, share, subscribe this video off to your friends. Put down in the comment box what you guys would like to see from me next. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see y'all later.